Welcome back guys, Ben from Flow Brackets. Today we've got in this GLE and I'm going to show you how to get standard size signature plates onto this car that has a pop down camera. All right, let's start by removing the number plate first and getting access to the 4 holes in the back of this Mercedes before I start explaining how to get standard size signature plates onto this car and why it is a problem that we can solve for you. Signature plates in standard size format onto a Mercedes with this 4-hole pattern that's been on every Mercedes since the 1970s. Most of you are already familiar with our ST4 bracket that will normally adapt signature plates in the standard size format to this car. But what we have is this problem. The reverse camera is in this little cavity here. It actually pops down. So if you use the ST4 bracket, it will hit the number plate. So we've come up with a new bracket specifically for this reason. The holes are slightly offset down, which makes the number plate more in the middle anyway, and it avoids the camera from hitting the number plate. All right, so installation is pretty simple. You assemble the top mount and the bottom mount that has the snap fit that clips the frame in. Just adjust them up and down to your liking to make it in the middle. We do this on purpose because not every signature plate is assembled exactly the same. So, you know, Bob, call it, from Vic Roads, on a Monday might screw in these screws a little bit narrower. And if you squeeze it this way a little bit, it actually grows in size. And that is why we've made the top mount and the bottom mount adjustable so you can accommodate for that size variant. From here, it's super simple. Our 4 holes in the bracket lines up with the 4 holes in the back of every Mercedes so that you don't have to drill into your car or modify your number plate. And the best part is all of our hardware is made out of stainless steel and our bracket is made out of aluminium so that no rust will transfer to your car. The last step will be to clip on your number plate that goes into the top mount and then pushes into the snap fit where it locks into the frame. But guys, before we do that, I should mention that everyone should be getting this anti-rust upgrade kit where we change out the assembly screws to black stainless steel fasteners so that it doesn't rust and rust doesn't transfer to your paint. Another top tip, make sure that the grub screw on the bottom is completely flush on the top, otherwise you won't be able to clip your frame in. Then all you need to do is tighten the grub screw. This not only stops the plate from moving from left to right, but it also expands the snap fit into the channel of the frame so that you can't unclip your number plate. That's a security feature. And that's the difference between ST4 and ST4-2. The holes are just offset a little bit higher to move the number plate down. And that's the cleanest way you're going to get signature plates in the standard size format onto a GLE with a pop down camera. So I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.